Recently, the issue of sending fighter jets to Ukraine has surfaced again. Mirage 2000, a fighter jet belonging to the French Air Force, is rumored to be used by Ukraine soon to counter Russia. The Ukrainian military has been asking for weapons, artillery, and fighter jets from its allies to defend the sovereignty of the country that is currently still under Russian invasion. Hello everyone. Welcome back with us at Military Report today. Here is the flagship fighter jet of France, Mirage 2000, rumored to be in service with the Ukrainian Air Force in the near future. Really, what is the greatness of the fighter jet? Let's look at the following brief review. The Mirage 2000 is a fourth-generation multi-role fighter, designed and manufactured by the French company Dassault Aviation. This fighter jet first entered service since 1983, and until now is still feared by the enemy. Although Ukraine continues to request F-16 Fighting Falcon fighters from the US, the Mirage 2000 has been noted as the most powerful fighter jet in Europe. One of the excellent features of this fighter jet is its advanced avionics system, which is equipped with a multifunctional radar capable of detecting and tracking enemy targets with high precision. In addition, the aircraft is also equipped with the latest communication systems, which can carry out a fast and efficient exchange of information between the aircraft and the base. According to the information, about 30 Ukrainian pilots are receiving special training for the use of Mirage 2000, which is implemented at Mont-de-Marsan Air Base and Nancy Air Base, and will soon be accelerated to pilot fighter jets in the air of Ukraine. Although relatively old, the Mirage 2000 is expected to help the Ukrainian Air Force fleet in the future. The Mirage 2000, a successful multi-role aircraft that has been developed with several variants, uses a single-engine Snecma M54P2 afterburning turbofan, and has a delta wing capable of flying at speeds of 2,400 km per hour, or about Mach 2.2 at high altitudes, with the ability to fly up to an altitude of about 17,000 meters, and can fly with an operational range of about 1,500 kilometers. The Mirage 2000 has good maneuverability, and is able to compete with today's modern fighter jets. For technical specifications, this fighter jet has a length of about 14.4 meters, a wingspan of about 9.13 meters, and has an empty weight of about 7.5 tons. The main armament of the Mirage 2000 fighter jet is equipped with two 30mm DEFA 554 revolver guns, with a total of 250 rounds capable of working with 125 rounds per gun, as well as a total of 9 hard points capable of supporting the armament weight of 6,300 kilograms. In operation, the Mirage 2000 could fire air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, but not anti-radiation missiles. In addition, It can also drop unguided and guided bombs. This fighter jet also has a tactical bomber variant, which is capable of carrying missiles or nuclear-tipped bombs. This tactical bomber variant is equipped with a variety of missiles and bombs, ranging from R-550 Magic, Mica, Apache, Scalp EG, and some conventional bombs such as GBU-12, GBU-49, GBU-16, as well as several other types of bombs. The cockpit of the Mirage 2000 is fully digital, and puts the Mirage at the front, an upgraded fighter jet over the years, with the addition of the Thomson CSFRDY multi-target Doppler radar, capable of air-to-ground, air-to-air and air-to-sea operations. When in operation, the Thomson CSFRDY can provide close strike support up to automatic locking, on enemy targets flying as low as 200 feet. Over the years of development, the Dassault Mirage 2000 has served as a 1- and 2-seat aircraft, even with operations in the Nuclear 2000N and Mirage 2000D variants using laser-guided weapons, low drag bombs, and the ability to carry cruise missiles. According to a report from the Federation of U.S. Scientists, the Mirage 2000 also has automatic terrain following technology, which can improve targeting against enemies. This flexibility makes the Mirage very useful to Ukraine, in a variety of combat scenarios, and allows it to operate in conjunction with other warplanes in mixed formations. By utilizing these fighter jets, ground forces will be able to quickly liberate occupied Ukrainian territory, targeting enemy command posts, military groups, and logistics supply chains.